6th Jan. Come on. What have we done?
Issued.
Issued.
Okay. Issues. Now here, what I'll write?
Nil.
Dash.
Yeah, dash. Correct. Okay. Here, what I'll write? Come on.
300.
Yeah, we have received order of 500. So out of that 300, we'll be taking from the first stock. Yes. Yes. In this way, we will be completing our order. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now 300 wala stock is over.
Yes.
So what is remaining for at
Four-
balance?
100 units. 100
Correct.
units.
Correct. 1,600. Correct. Yes. Okay.
In 100 units should come now from sir.
Yeah. Now we will go on to the next. Now on 10th.
Miss,
Okay.
miss
Yeah.
3 per units
Bolo,
of miss 100 units is remaining of 3 per price of 3 per unit.
No, beta. See, 500 units we had to complete the order. So we have these two varieties of stock. Okay, 300 units at the rate 3 and
Okay,
600
okay.
at the 4. So what we are doing to complete the order of 500 units, first we will utilize the older units, which is the older one 300. So out of 500, 300 we have given previous. Okay, so what is the remaining amount which we require to complete our order? That is 200. So we will take it from 600 units. You're getting? I will explain
Yes,
you in
ma'am.
Hindi. Yeah, I'll explain again in Hindi. See students, 500 units का order complete करना है. So what we will do, जो पुराना stock पड़ा है पहले उसको हम लोग utilize करेंगे. तो पुराना stock is of 300. Complete करना है मुझे order 500 का. अभी भी 200 units का deficiency है. So what I'll do, ये 600 में से मैं 200 units इसमें डाल दूंगी. तब मेरा 500 units का order complete होगा students. तो ये 300 तो पूरा का पूरा चला गया. Out of 600, 200 is gone. So what is remaining? 400. Is the doubt clear now? That's why I am taking again this whole whatever I have started. I am revising it again. I know some of the students were not there. Is the concept clear?
Yes. miss.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move on to 10th January. Tell me what we have done. Purchases.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll put it here. Correct. At the rate 4 means 2,800. Yes. Don't worry, students. I'm going to give you test right now. After completing this, I'll be giving you a problem for which I give you 20-25 minutes. And for that, you have to solve and then we will discuss the answers. Okay. We need to complete weighted average today. Okay, chalo students, next entry bolo. 15th Jan. Yes, be quick.
Issued.
Issues.
Issue, yeah. So purchase column dash. Correct.
Yes.
Tell me how we will complete the order.
First we
Ma'am,
will take
particular में
400
dash
from
है.
first unit, then we will take 400 from 700, then remaining
Stop.
then remaining amount is 300.
Okay. So what Ashish mean to say that for completing the order of 800 units, we will first utilize the previous 400
400.
and next 400 from the next lot. Luckily, the price is the same. That's why it's difficult to distinguish. Yes. What is the remaining now?
300.
Correct.
300.
Correct.
1200.
Okay. So now we are completing this. Okay. Then
20
students,
January.
very good. 20 January. What are we doing?
Purchase.
Purchases. Okay. Very good. Purchases means kitna students? 300
Yes.
at the rate 5. Yes. Sale column, what will write?
Nil. Dash.
Okay. Chalo, tell me. In balance column, what we have to write?
300.
Hmm.
300.
Correct. We have two types of stock now. One is
Yes,
of 4 rupees per unit and another is of 5 per unit. Okay. Now what is the next entry? Come on. Last entry.
23rd Jan.
23rd Jan. What are we doing?
Issues.
So sale column we will have dash. Then we have issuing 100. So easy. Yes, out of the lot of 4 rupees per unit, we will do it. Correct, students? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is remaining now?
100.
Now
200.
200.
200.
200.
Yeah, correct. And the next stock is of 300, 5 into. Correct. Now this is a complete problem. Okay. Have you all understood FIFO?
Yes, yes.
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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Recording in progress.
now what you have to do, students?
Recording stopped.
I will give you a sheet. On sheet 2, I have another problem. I'll give you 15 minutes. You prepare this according to FIFO and let me know. I will give you 15 minutes. Okay, take it as a test. FIFO just now we solved.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we will discuss it together, but
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
giving you, yes, I am displaying the problem. You can see the problem. Opening balance 100 units. Okay, how to go about opening balance? I'll show you, students. Opening balance is considered as like, यहाँ पे लिखोगे 1st January opening balance and you have to write directly in balance column. It is not your current purchase, it is your older purchase. Okay, okay. Yeah, chalo. I'm giving you 15. Yes, I'm giving you 15 minutes. Solve it. It is 8:20, 8:35. I'll be checking. Okay, solve it. Start solving.
मिस अभी ये ओपनिंग बैलेंस कहाँ से आ गया, इसको कहाँ लिखने का?
ओपनिंग बैलेंस आशीष यू हैव टू राइट ऑन द टॉप फर्स्ट, स्टार्टिंग उससे ही होगा। और यहाँ पे लिखो परचेसेस के बदले ओपनिंग बैलेंस, रिसिप्ट्स में, पेमेंट्स में, इश्यूज में, सब में डैश, और बैलेंस कॉलम में डायरेक्ट उसका जाएगा।
अच्छा,
ओके,
मतलब रिसिप्ट स्टार्टिंग में रिसिप्ट और इशू में डैश जाएगा तो फिर ओपनिंग बैलेंस
डैश
का
रहेगा, यस।
100
हाँ,
यूनिट ऑफ ऑयल
यूनिट्स और
कहाँ लिखने का?
हाँ, वो बैलेंस कॉलम में।
ओके।
या
मीन्स बैलेंस 1000 बचेगा।
you are talking about final answer.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm not sure, but just put in chat box so that we can verify. Okay, put in chat box. After 10 minutes, we'll verify. Put in chat box. Check the answer. Getting the same thing? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Class.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Everybody is getting the same thing. Yeah. Okay. 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 So if you're getting the same answer, that means the concept of FIFO is clear to you. Once the concept
No,
of
miss.
FIFO is clear,
ये नो मिस मेरा तो पूरा रॉन्ग हो गया टोटल.
क्यों रॉन्ग हो गया आशीष तुम्हारा? क्यों रॉन्ग हो गया? What was the wrong? What mistake you have made? Ashish, I'll be sending this Excel sheet in the class group. You again solve and check. Okay. What about rest?
Okay, miss.
What about okay? What about rest? Everybody is getting the same answer.
Yes.
150.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good class. Now I will be starting with this weighted average method. One problem I will solve and show you. Next problem you have to solve and show me. Okay? Take it as a challenge. आज ही first day करवाया और आज ही आना चाहिए. I can expect that much intelligence and you can say prompt thinking from BAF. Into weighted average. If you know FIFO very well, weighted average is nothing. But if you are confused with FIFO, then your weighted average will be a big problem for you. Okay, I'm there. Don't worry. We will work it out together. Some problem is there. Okay. Let it be. We will start, students. Now the first
Recording
entry
in
is of 1st
progress.
January. See here, weighted average method, students. We will start. The first entry is 1st Jan. Okay. What we are doing, students, purchases. Okay. Purchases we are doing. So 300 units at the rate. Okay. In this issues column, we will have dash since we are not having it. It is 300, 3, 900,